feel till now?
Oh my God, yeah. My scalp used to itch so bad. I would scratch so hard until it would literally be sore. And now, since I started coming to you, it itches just a small amount, like normal itching, I think, with my face, especially if my head is dirty, I guess.
Right.
But it's such a relief compared to how it used to be.
Right.
And I think that too, with not doing all that scratching and digging and irritating it more, I think that probably enhanced the issue that I was having with the thinning and balding. So
yeah.
I'm looking forward to see what June 13th, a year from now, what I'll have, you know.
Right.
So, like I said earlier, I'm not letting anyone else wash and treat my hair but you.
I'm grateful for that. And I want to say that, you did experience the weed buddy, but the weed buddy, that wasn't for you.
Right.
But we still worked together.
Mm-hmm.
And I was still able to work with your crown.
Right.
But the foundation of it all was the treatment.
Right.
Right, the consistency.
Exactly.
And you've had your faux locks. We've done some ocean wave, was it? I forgot.
We did the water.
We did water wave?
No, not water. Oh gosh.
We did the Morby locks.
Yeah, we did those first.
Yeah.
And then we did the waterfall locks, I think they're called. Or something.
Oh, yeah, the boho lock, the bohemian
boho
type locks.
Yes.
The faux locks with the strand of curly hair.
Yes,
right.
yes.
And I used a different technique with the netting.
Mm-hmm.
And tell me what you were telling me. About the experience.
Tons of comments. I mean, everybody loved it. And what I love the most is how you figured out a way, because of my receding hairline.
Right.
You figured out a way to give me some beautiful curls around the edge.
Oh, yeah. That's
cover
right.
my forehead. And,
yes.
Because it was sitting so far back. And that turned out perfect because I could pull my hair back on the side and pull down my little hairs, the curls on the side. And it turned out real pretty. Mm-hmm.
I'm glad that worked out for you.
Me too.
All right. Well, we'll see you back.
In 6 weeks.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so very much for trusting me.
Thank you.